Caffeine is slaying, no other word for it. It's rewriting the rules for how people build, learn, and experiment with AI on chain. In this episode of Ledger Live, we are brewing up five fresh stories from the caffeine ecosystem. From Egyptian students reinventing education to a San Francisco dev dodging parking fines with a free AI app, and even a poker game coded in 4 minutes flat. It's all caffeine, all innovation, and all proof that this platform isn't slowing down anytime soon. And hey, if you like what we do here at Ledger Life, you can support the channel with a donation to help us keep bringing you the latest in tech and Web3 innovation. Let's start in Cairo, where over 400 students at the British University in Egypt just made history. Their final graded assignments all built on Caffeine AI. This wasn't just a few tech savvy students experimenting. It's an entire faculty formally integrated an AI tool into its coursework. It's a first for both the university and the region. The ICP Hub Egypt team supported the rollout, hosting hands on workshops for students and professors on how to use Caffeine AI for creative problem solving, rapid prototyping, and app development. The result more than 200 project submissions in just 4 days. But here is the real win. BUE isn't just teaching about innovation anymore, it's practicing it. By embedding AI directly into the curriculum, they are equipping students with the same tools shaping real world industries. Following the pilot success, BUE and ICP Hub Egypt plan to roll this model out to more faculties and universities across Egypt, giving every student a shot at building something meaningful and maybe launching the next big AI startup right from the classroom. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, one developer is using caffeine to fight a more personal battle, that is parking tickets. A developer named Amspeed built a free app on Caffeine AI that helps San Francisco drivers avoid fines. It uses recent and historical parking data to generate 3D heat maps showing where tickets are most likely to happen. So it's basically Find My Friends, but for dodging parking cops. Amspeed says he was inspired by another developer, Riley Walls, who went viral after reverse engineering the city's ticketing system and building a site that showed tickets seconds after they were issued. When asked what it cost to build his version, zero. Caffeine gives every new user 110 free credits after email verification, and that's enough to make one or two full apps depending on how well you prompt it. That accessibility is what's powering Caffeine's rise. Developers don't need funding, tokens, or complicated tools. They just need an idea and curiosity. Amspeed's project joins a wave of experimental apps from the caffeine community tackling everyday problems, were proof that Web3 innovation doesn't always have to be world changing. Sometimes it just helps you avoid a parking fine. Caffeine's community has been growing fast, and now it's getting its own spotlight, that is Caffeine.top. The platform has just gone live, and this is built by independent contributors within the Caffeine community. It's designed for developers to share their projects and receive direct funding from supporters. There is no middleman, no centralized gatekeepers. Every project listed is verified, so donations go straight to the actual builder behind the code. The team says the site took months of collaborative effort and will soon launch our weekly Boost event, giving standard projects extra community backing or exposure. It's part of a bigger shift where developers can not only create through caffeine but also sustain their work. In short, caffeine helps people build. Now, Caffeine.top helps them thrive. It's turning into a self contained creative economy where ideas, no tokens, are the currency. Now let's talk about the wave behind it all. According to Dominic Williams, the founder and chief scientist at Definity, caffeine's current growth marks a breakout moment for Web3. He highlighted that this community of builders isn't chasing hype or speculative profits. They are building real, functional apps that run fully on the Internet Computer Protocol. The Internet Computer's architecture is what makes this possible. It hosts everything from front-end interfaces to back-end logic and databases entirely on-chain. That means when you deploy an app through Caffeine, it's truly decentralized. No AWS servers, no middle layer, no single point of control. And thanks to Caffeine's text to app interface, anyone can participate even without deep coding knowledge. That accessibility is helping Web3 grow up. It's moving from speculation to creation, from price charts to prototypes. The result, a developer community that's producing useful, secure, and user friendly apps on chain, proving that blockchain tech can be elegant, fast, and even fun to use. Williams called it a maturing phase for the space, one where builders are taking center stage again, and honestly, it's about time. To round things off, here is a story that's as entertaining as it is unbelievable. A developer named Prabhat built an entire decentralized poker game using a single prompt on Caffeine AI. The whole thing, front end, back end, logic, storage, it's deployed fully on the internet computer in about 4 minutes. The game called Decentralized Poker, which mimics traditional poker but with blockchain transparency. Every card shuffle and deal is verifiable on chain, guaranteeing fairness and preventing any manipulation. Players join anonymously using internet identity, meaning no personal data, no accounts, no tracking. It even has leaderboards, live chat, and multi table tournaments. Prabhat calls this the starting point, saying the full version will include custom domains and expanded features. But even this early build is impressive. It's a perfect showcase of caffeine speed and power. It's complex, fully functional, and 100% decentralized, and all generated in minutes from natural language. And more than anything, it shows what happens when builders are freed from traditional limits. If one person can make poker in minutes, what happens when thousands of creators get inspired to build games, marketplaces, social apps, and tools the same way? We are watching the early days of an entirely new creation model, one where AI and blockchain combine to turn imagination into code at light speed. From classrooms to cars, from community platforms to poker tables, Caffeine is proving that the future of creation is decentralized, collaborative, and ridiculously fast. It's not about hype coins or speculation. It's about building things that work. You don't need millions in funding or a team of coders, just an idea and a few free credits. That's the real power of Caffeine. It gives ordinary people the tools to do extraordinary things. And if this pace continues, we are heading into a world where creativity is no longer gated by technical skill, money, or permission, just curiosity. Caffeine is slaying, and the builders, they are wide awake. Thanks for watching Ledger Life, and remember, you can support the channel with a donation to help us keep covering the most exciting stories in ICP.